The secretary bird is a striking bird of prey, native to the open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. With long legs like a crane and the body of a raptor, it stands out for its unique appearance, tall, elegant, and crowned with a crest of dark feathers that resemble quill pens, which may have inspired its name. Unlike most birds of prey, the secretary bird hunts on foot. It is famous for its powerful kicks, which it uses to stomp and kill snakes, lizards, and small mammals. This bird can walk for miles a day searching for prey, combining the grace of a heron with the hunting skill of an eagle.